I saw this video a couple of days ago and I was like, this guy is crazy. None of this gonna happen. And now I do understand what he meant when he was saying this. Watch this video.
Ake nje angawini uGuluva. Ake nje angawini uGuluva. Niyasazi ke nina ke nje. Siyatapa.
There's a phrase says "askali," siyakhala manje. You know, people were not happy about that. You know, it's still existing. But now we're like, okay, cool. What do we do now? Then we became with a new term. Says HLANGA ZULU. If you know, you know. When you say HLANGA ZULU, I don't know, man. The videos that are here, you can tell. You can tell.